Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make these absolutely scrumptious blueberry and coconut muffins. They're a hearty and dense muffin that are also gluten-free. If you don't already have oat flour, into a blending cup we're going to add 1.5 cups of oats, then give them a good blitz until the oats turn into oat flour. Into a bowl with the oat flour we're going to add in the baking powder, the baking soda and the cinnamon. Then whisk together to combine. Next, into our blending cup or blender we're going to add in the banana, the coconut sugar, the brown sugar, the milk and the vanilla. Then give that a good blitz until the banana has broken down and everything is well combined. Then all you need to do is pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix to combine. To that we're then going to add in the coconut and gently fold it through. Now before adding in the blueberries, I'm just going to add a small spoonful of mixture into the bottom of each patty liner. I find that this helps stop the blueberries going all the way to the bottom, which can end up leaving the bottom of the muffin soggy. Once that's done, we're going to add in the blueberries and then gently fold them through the mixture. Then spoon our mixture back into the patty liners until they're about 3/4 of the way full. We're then going to sprinkle the top with some coconut sugar. Then into the oven for about 20 minutes. When the skewer comes out clean, then you know they're done. Leave them in the tray to cool for about 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Yummo! I'm a big fan of these muffins. They're perfect for that mid-afternoon snack when you're feeling like something yummy. As always guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so, clicking that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!